Geography is like a big adventure where we learn about our planet Earth and everything on it. Imagine you have a giant puzzle, and each piece is a part of our world. Geography helps us put those pieces together. It comes from two Greek words, geo, which means earth, and graphene, which means to describe. So, geography is like telling a story about the Earth. It's a science that helps us understand the lands, the mountains, rivers, animals, plants, and even the people living on our planet. It's not just about knowing where things are, but also understanding how they got there and how they might change in the future. There are different parts of geography too. One part, called human geography, is about understanding cities, cultures, and how people live. Another part, physical geography, is about nature, like mountains, rivers, and weather. And then there's technical geography, which is about the tools and techniques, like maps, that geographers use. So, in short, geography is a cool way to learn about our amazing world and everything in it.